Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, we'll learn how we can import devices using a CSV file. So with a CSV file or a comma separated value file, we can name our devices with all of the right parameters like IP address, platform type, operating system, etc., etc. And that way we can have a source of truth and we can track our devices and all of their parameters such as IP address, so on and so forth. So in Netpicker, you also have this option that if you have a CSV file, you can import those devices into Netpicker using that file. So you go to devices and I'm going to click on add devices. With this option, you import devices manually. We also have other options as well, but I'm going to use import from CSV. And I'm going to choose my file. Here, this is the file I have, device CSV. And this is an imaginary source of truth of devices. I don't have these devices in my network, but here we have a host name, IP address, device type, location, and SNMP community. So we have a switch, router, firewall, wireless, should have called it probably access point, and server. Now, the only thing that's left to do is this mapping over here. And you only do this mapping once, meaning if I, for example, click the IP address to be the second column, IP address, as you can see, 1.10 belongs to switch 1. But after I'm done with allocating these parameters, you'll see that it will pick this IP address for the IP address of router 1 as well, and all the way to the end. So I just have to map this once, and it is going to intelligently map the other ones based on the first one, based on the first set of mappings. So name field would be host name. This is fine. Platform field, device type switch. And I can also give it a tag as well, but tag is not mandatory, but Vault is. So Vault iOS, I'm going to choose this one. And the moment I click on import, you see all these devices are added. And again, names are, the correct names are associated with the name column, platform to platform, IP address to IP address, and all the rest that comes with it. So that was pretty simple, a very short video. And this is how you import devices using a CSV file. So I will see you in the next tutorial.